To get started right away, use the sample gallery to find a sample home that you would like to apply product to. These sample homes have already been prepared in the visualizer, so they're ready to go. It's just a matter of picking one that would work for your project. Once you've decided which one you would like to use, click on the image to pull up that sample project in the visualizer. To start applying products, all I need to do is either click on the list on the left or click on the image itself. When I click on the area I would like to apply product to, the left panel changes to the selection menu. You'll notice this selection menu is broken into two tabs across the top. There's also a small X box to clear your menu and go back to the product layers list. So again, if I want to apply product, all I need to do is click on an area on the image. That's going to pull up my selection menu. From here, all I need to do is filter through the available options by making some choices. So perhaps to start with, I'm looking for veneer stone products. Then I can scroll up and down through this menu. You can see if I scroll up, I will see my previous selections at the top. And I will now be faced with some more choices. In this case, I now have to pick a style or category of stone. When I've found one that I would like to try, again, I'm going to click on the image, and it will pull me down to any other additional options that I need to select. So you can see for Meridian Red Stone, there are two types, Snapped DM and Tumbled DM. By clicking on the image for one of those, it will apply to the main home. I can also click on the other areas on the project to start applying different products to those spaces. If I want to change the product that I've selected on a home, again, all I need to do is select the region that I would like to apply product to pull up the selection menu on the left. This time, since I've already got product applied on this area, it's pulled me down to the final selection options. But if I want to choose a different pathway, all I need to do is scroll back up through my menu until I get to a point where I want to make a different selection. Now that you know how to apply products to a sample image, the next thing you might want to learn how to do is to save your multiple designs as well as print your designs or save them to your computer so that you can reference them later. The first thing we need to do is make sure that we are signed in. If we attempt to save a project without being signed in, we will be told to sign in or create an account first. Once you're signed in, you can save the project to your visualizer account. Give the project a new name. Now that the project is saved, you have access to the Snapshot menu. Opening the Snapshot menu will allow you to take a snapshot. This will store your current design in this small thumbnail image inside this menu. Now, if you change the design in any way, you can save an additional snapshot. By having two snapshots saved, you can toggle between them by clicking on the thumbnail that you would like to apply to the main image. So this is how you can save multiple designs on your project. This is also how you can compare different designs back and forth. If you ever need to, you can delete any of the snapshots you've saved using the garbage can icon in the upper right corner. Now that you have more than one design saved to your project, you can go to the report area. In the report view, you will first find yourself on the setup page. This page will allow you to deselect any of the designs that you don't want to include in your final design report. You can go to the Design Report tab to see the report. Your report has a cover page on it with the name of your project as well as the date. If you scroll past the cover page, you will see the first design you saved in your snapshot, as well as the products currently applied. And on the next page, you could see your next design that you saved using the Snapshot menu. The final page of your design report has a small disclaimer. Color calibration on monitors can change the way the colors look, so always make sure to reference those samples before making any big decisions. This design report can be printed or saved using this option at the top called Print Report. Clicking on Print Report will pull up your browser's printer menu. Your printer will likely be selected as default if you have a printer connected, but you can also choose to save it as a PDF. In my particular window, in my particular menu for this browser type, I have the option to set the destination as Save as PDF. This will allow me to save this as a digital file onto my computer or device. Some printer menus might be different. Just look for the option to save as PDF. That way you'll have a digital file and you can start to email that to your customers or to your contractor. To get back to the design area, simply click on the design view. And at any point, you can always save your current changes on the project by clicking the Save button. To see all of the projects that you currently have saved to your Visualizer account, go to the My Projects area. To open a project and continue working on it, simply click on the image. We hope you have fun using these tools. Stay tuned for more video content.